Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about home office ideas. If you want to make a space where you can work well and it's look good too, you are in the right place. Let's check out some simple and creative ideas to make your home office a productive and stylish spot. Let's talk about why having a home office is important. A home office can help you get your work done, stay organized, and make working from home easier. Let's start with small space. If you don't have much room, don't worry. You can use wall mounted desk, clever storage, and furniture that can do more than one thing to make the most of your space. Get some sunlight, put your desk near a window if you can, and don't forget to add some indoor plants for a bit of nature in your workspace. It is good for your mood and the air. Make sure you have comfy furniture, a good chair, and a desk that you can adjust are super important for your health and how well you work. Add your personal touch. You can decorate with art, quotes, or things that inspire you, and keep things tidy with shelf cabinets and folders for your papers. Let's stuff is better. Keep your workspace and neat and organized. It helps your focus and get things done. Think about colors. Some colors can help you work better. Blues and greens can be claiming, while yellow and orange can bring energy. Make sure you have the right tech. Good internet and reliable computer and good lighting make a big difference in your home office. Make different areas in your home office have one spot for meeting, a cozy comfort for reading, and a special place for working tasks. Big difference in your home office. Make different areas in your home office have one spot for meeting, a cozy spot for reading, and a special space for work tasks. Lastly, make your home office changeable. Think about furniture you can move and light your can adjust. It helps when your need change. There you go. Easy home office ideas to make a special that both great work for your easy and the eyes. Whether you special is big or small, these ideas can help you make a home office that works for you. If you found these home office ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and making your home better.